Assalamualaikum friend, a new update available in the XENEA Wallet. When you open your XENEA Wallet, you will see here XENEA official YouTube channel. Subscribe to get 500 gems. So if you can get this notification, click on get gems. It automatically redirect to your YouTube. Then you will subscribe this XENEA official channel, then return back and you will see I've got 500 gems add a reward for subscribing XENEA official YouTube channel. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Please like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. And if anyone watching my video still not joining XENEA Wallet, the link is in the description. So join the XENEA Wallet, it will gives you a good profit. Hopefully. Goodbye friends.